Hello, my name is Dodie. This is June.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. We're going to demonstrate how to make black rice to alcohol, and in the process of fermentation. And fermentation is a process in which yeast breaks down sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Yeast are tiny single-cell fungi that contain special enzyme responsible for this action. So we're going to use glucose plus yeast yield alcohol plus carbon dioxide.
That's the products.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to cook this rice here. This is 5 pounds of rice. It's black rice. And let me see. I'm going to pour it in here. See, it's just grain.
That's 5 pounds.
This is 5 pounds. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this really clean. And then drain it, get all the water out. And I'm going to boil water. I measured this cup right here, this bowl. 4 bowls of this is equal to 3,200 milliliters of water. So I'm going to start washing this.
Need gloves? Need gloves?
Not right now. I'm just cleaning. You can help me by getting the red one, the other red one. And then for you, Dodie, you can start boiling the water.
Where you get the water?
You're gonna put it here and use like 350. Put it here. Okay, let's close it. Okay, when it's boiled, what we do, we're gonna okay, we're gonna drain all the water out, and we're gonna wait for the water to boil. Once it boils, we're gonna put it in there. So this is how we start cooking the black rice, and we wash it really well. The water has reached the boiling point, so we're gonna put this grain in to the pot. Let me help you. Just pour it all in there. Just be careful. Okay, we're just gonna stir it a little bit to make it balanced. This is how you cook black rice. It's similar how you cook the white rice as well. It's just the black rice, it takes longer to cook. And we're gonna cover it and let it boil until it drains all the water, which is dehydration process. The dehydration process has complete, so I'm going to lower down the heat. Otherwise, I'm going to burn the rice. So it's going to be low to low temperature. Instead of 350, it's going to go about less than 100. That should do it. And this white thing in here is a yeast. It's a dry yeast, and there's 6 of them. 6 of them are good for 5 pounds of rice. So what I'm gonna do is I have to warm it up because the dry yeast has been there for years. It doesn't get spoiled, but before you cook it or do anything with it, you have to warm it up. Otherwise, it's not going to be as good as it should be. I wrap it in the aluminum. This helps to protect the plastic wrap. So I can put on top of the heat here. So as you can see, we're going to use heat, and the catalyst is the yeast. So we're using heat and the catalyst. I'm going to warm this for, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. And I have to rotate the side to let it warm on both sides. The rice is ready. It's cooked now. So I'm going to turn the heat off, completely off. And this yeast in here is ready too. It's very warm in here. I'll leave it aside. You open it. I want to taste Dodie and see if it's cooked well.
I want to taste it.
I have to let it cool off. So it's cooked very beautifully. You see that? Because you can still see the crop. And you want to spread it into this pan here so it can cool off for me to add the yeast on it. This rice cool now, so it's okay to put the yeast now. I have to spread it and mix it evenly. Yeah, you can mix it really. Now, after we mix it, we're going to put in this pot here. This is when the fermentation process starts.
For how long? Say for 1 week.
Yeah, fermentation is going to start tonight, and this rice will turn into alcohol's rice in 5 days. So it's going to take 5 nights and 5 days. So now we're gonna seal this. This is we do not allow any more oxygen in here, so we're sealing it. This is a process of fermentation. The definition of fermentation is anaerobics of oxygen reaction that occur with no oxidation. Pyruvate, an organic compound produced from pyruvate, is reduced as NADH is oxidized. In other words, you lose oxygen, you gain hydrogen. Yeah. Okay, another seal. You put into this plastic bag and you cover it with this pot. A lot of process, isn't it? This is the products of fermentation that we do black rice turn into alcohol sweet rice. So we're gonna open it after we seal it for 5 days. Smell like alcohol now. You smell? Let's do it. You see that there's some water.
So there's some.
You see this? There's water on the bottom, which is alcohol, ethanol. And we mix it well, and then we're gonna taste it how it tastes. It should be taste delicious now.
Good. Sweet. Tastes like alcohol. Good.
It's sweet. We didn't put any sugar, but it's sweet like a sugar now.